August 28th, 2019. It is late in the evening. We were called out for a leak on the sewer pipe as well as a constantly clogging drain. So we have our camera here. The hall bathroom, the bathrooms are back to back, but this hall bathroom was leaking by the toilet flange. Might have just been reset from another plumbing company yesterday and they didn't set it properly. Flange is too low below the tile, so it requires a flange extension ring be siliconed in place and then the proper size wax seal. So we pulled the toilet. We're now going to go ahead down into the pipe and see if there's something wrong with the pipes and or some object or debris in the system. So running across the ceiling of the kitchen right now. The ceiling is opened up. Okay, you can see a bunch of white paper right here already on this elbow turn we're about to come up to. So there's a bunch of poop and feces all stuck right here in the line. So don't know if there's something causing that not to move through the system, lack of volume or just heavy volumes. You can see it's all backed up still there in the pipe. So what we're going to go ahead and do is pause the video, run a bunch of water through the tubs and the other toilet. Actually, we'll keep this running while we go turn everything on and try to flush this out. We're going to turn the lavatory sink on first. This is across the ceiling enough that this may or may not be where the lab dumps into the line. As we back up, looks like it's not. So what we're going to do is go ahead and leave it running though. We'll go ahead and turn on the tub here. We now have tub water running in this hall bath. So we should see water coming here shortly. Here's the water starting to flow through the system. You can see there's still a bunch of debris caked up in the system there. Move our camera back and forth to try to clear that out. See, it's all kind of still stuck in there. So that's already past the buildup. The buildup is still in there. So you can see it all there on the left. It's just not moving out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull our camera out and go and get a snake that we can go ahead and snake this out. So we're going to pull our camera back here to that beginning turn and past. So we need to get out 5.5 feet approximately past the stoppage, and right in front of it is just below 4 feet. So 5 feet out, we're going to hit all that buildup in the opening. Wipe off our camera lens here. Okay, so we're back to 0. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pause the video while we go ahead and grab our snaking equipment. Okay, so we have our chain knocker system, which can really clean out wall-to-wall edge of pipes extremely well typically. So we're going to go ahead and set the camera because it can be used in conjunction right behind the camera, right in front of the camera. So here's our spot where we're cleaning up on the buildup. So we're going to pull back right to here. Go ahead and hook up our piece of equipment here. Right now, from that noise, that's our drill spinning chain knocker from edge to edge. Clean it out, that's it. So now run it through quite a distance. We're going to run our camera back up. See if it's cleared out. Looks like there's still some feces in there, as you can see. So we'll back up here for a second. We're going to go ahead and pause the video one more time while we get some more water down the system. Okay, so we've gone ahead and flushed the toilet in the hall bath. and we've got the other tub shower running in the other bathroom as well. So we're going to back up our light shaft here while we activate it one more time. That breaks up the rest of that debris in the system. Get our camera here just to the edge. We'll go ahead and pull this back here. Okay. You can see it spinning there. So now pull this completely out of the drain here. You can get through the angles and it might hinder the camera. So now the toilet in this hall bath, as soon as we came in, it's a Delta brand toilet. The flapper was set probably to the 1.28 it's required, but we adjusted the flapper to give it a little bit more volume. The toilet in the master bath, or the one behind here, is a dual flush, which we do not recommend at all. Those cannot be adjusted at all. Okay, so now you can see we've cleaned out all that debris. The line is 100% open right now, and all that water running through is completely open. Little chunk of debris, but the line is essentially open now. So, squirt that little out. Again, here's where we came up, back up our push rod here. So there's that 4-foot mark, and running through the 5-foot. A little bit of stuff on the bottom because it looks like this pipe, since it's horizontal in the kitchen ceiling, may not have any downhill slope. It's almost perfectly horizontal, so you might get a little scale and build up there. And that's why you might need a little bit more gallons per flush on these toilets to move through this straight horizontal line. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and shut the water off. Here's where we'll pause the video really quick. Okay, so just a little residuals coming across right here from the tub, dripping from the spout, just shutting the water off. But as you can see, the water's off. So a couple turns on the line, and that's going to slow debris down, and then the horizontal. So here's the vertical. This is now going to make a complete 90-degree turn and go down the wall that's in between the kitchen and the living room. So you can see the water droplets hanging off the end of the camera here. They're going down vertically, and then we'll be making a transition, of course, to horizontal again. So here we go. Here's that transition. Now, see how well our camera can push through this. May have to turn the water back on, just depending. Okay, so now here we have a combo T-junction. So it's making a turn. Let's see what we've got. Okay, there so far. Cross, I'm seeing it water in the line, little objects. Okay, here we have a little bit of standing water in the system. Here's the piece of feces just sitting in there. So we've got this sag or belly to the line, essentially, it looks like right here, unless there's some buildup farther up that is acting like a dam holding all this in. We'll just continue to push through this. Let's see. So you can see vertically above our camera head, the little wave at the top of the water line itself. So this is a 1-inch camera head, so it appears we are completely underwater, so this is going to slow things down and cause them to build up. So we just came out of that, what we call sag or belly. So there's a low spot in the line, or where it has to go uphill, and that's what causes that collection area called the sag or belly to hold water and possibly over time debris leading to stoppages. Sag belly, you can see right here, across. Looks like this is a turn in the line. Let's see if it dumps into a T. So this is another T junction. Now we're out 47 feet. Take across about 20 to 25 from being upstairs. We're about another 20 to 25 across. So this may be where it's either leaving the building or comboing or teeing into the neighbors. So what we'll go ahead and do is turn on our locator to see where this is at. So we'll pause the video for this. Okay, so we pulled just a little bit back off that T we were at. We'll push back up to it again right here, just again below 50 feet, this T. And so, see, there's a little bit of water that might be running through there. But anyway, this is actually outside of the unit. And it's on the sidewalk right where we're at here. And if you're staring at the front door of this unit 230, it's just to the right of it. So it appears that this line is just for this unit. It comes down the kitchen living room wall and then it's going to head straight out pretty much out to the right of the front door, continue out, and then when it comes to this T-junction, that's probably going to pick up the other unit on this building, then they become one. So it looks like this unit has its completely own main sewer and doesn't become combined with the other unit, which would then be an HOA issue until it's outside the foundation wall of the building. But as you know, as we back up, our sag bellies in the line are not part of the HOA property, sorry. So we're pulling back in right now. So there's a coupling right there, and probably just coming under the foundation. Might even be a clean out T right there. Kind of hard to see with the camera, the lighting, but that might be a clean out T-junction. It is a short piece of pipe, so vertically there might be something up through there. But anyway, it won't really help. That would be cleaning outside farther down the line. I'll bet you that's what that is. So we'll come back up here, and actually here's actually the beginning of that sag belly we've got in this one area. So let's slowly pull back across here, and I guess we will end up pushing back forward again to see if that is a clean out outside the foundation wall of the unit, just probably by the wall itself. And now we're coming back in the unit. So it's quite a long run. We were at just about 36 feet or so. We've already gone about a 5-foot run. And here we go, we're just finally coming out of that. So it is about a 5 foot in length from beginning to end. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set up our camera essentially right here where it's starting. Just pull it back a little bit. So almost maybe a 6-foot run. We're going to go ahead and pause and locate this. Okay, so this pipe here is in the middle of the dining room, right outside the kitchen. So when you come through the front door, you make a quick right. And so this pipe is 2 feet 2 inches deep. We're going to put a little piece of green tape on the ground marking where it's at. And so it does appear that as we go forward here into this bad section, it's like a sag belly, this is going to be passing through the foundation wall. And a 2-story, it's going to be pretty thick and heavy concrete to chisel out and get through there. But we finally come out of that, and then again, I guarantee this is a clean out T. So I can kind of see the shadow just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and set our camera right here and go outside and see if there is one above ground, literally. But we'll go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so there is a clean out a couple feet outside of the building. The extra square lid to it was just barely above the dirt, so we painted it with our neon green paint that we typically will use. So it's marked, and we showed the renter that's here where it's at. So that T coupling right there, and a little bit of pipe in front of here coming backwards will all need to be cut out. So the clean out T here itself will need to be cut out, so you get just some pipe after that. What we're going to do is push forward a little bit more here again. We're going to double check the depth and see how deep this is. So we got this little pocket of sag belly right here, just minuscule. What we want to do is check that there's enough way to eliminate that sag belly. So we're going to pause one more time and mark the depth here. Okay, don't know if we accidentally hit the record or pause button previous, but anyway, where we're at right here is under the sidewalk, and we've located a depth that is only 1 feet 11 inches deep. So this is about 12 feet away from the beginning of the sag belly that was at about 30 feet out, and we're right at about 43 feet out now. And again, the pipe inside the house at that start of it was at 2 feet 2 inches deep. So at 12 feet away approximately, the pipe actually should be about 2 feet 5 inches deep, a full 3 inches deeper. Again, we're only at 1 foot 11 inches deep. Now there is a step down outside the front door, of course, when you leave the unit, and a slight grade change going across, but I don't believe it's a full 6 inches. So again, if things being completely level, we should have been at 2 feet 5 inches deep, but we were at 1 feet 11 inch deep here, where we're at farther forward. So deducting the grade change and the step out, that would bring it a little bit closer, but I don't believe that it was really set completely the right way. Again, we come into another little mini sag right here. It's not much, but then here's our T-junction already that we stopped at. Now when we go into this, same thing. I don't see that we're basically going to be gaining any type of real depth here, so I don't think it's going to help going into this T-junction, which is probably, again, becomes part of the HOA. It's all about the same. So as we come back here, we really didn't make a dive down. Let's make a turn right there. Our self-leveling camera was spinning. But, I mean, it's going to have to be probably done to try to fix how severe this sag belly is. But you may have to go all the way across, all the way to the sidewalk area here to try to go ahead and alleviate this to the best of ability. So again, here at that 36 feet out mark, we're going to come all the way back to 30 feet out before we completely get out of this and essentially have the beginning of this bad spot. So there you go, you can see all that. So that's what's holding everything up. So the toilets do need to be modified. The hall bath can be modified. The dual flush toilet in the other bathroom needs to be replaced with an American Standard Cadet 3 and the flapper adjusted inside the tank for maximum flush right out of the box. Back up here one more time, make sure there was no other little pockets that we were missing from the first time going through the system. Here we're seeing everything else. Good. Here's the T-junction. That'll be picking up other side, but we'll pick up the kitchen and laundry. Also under the laundry is an area drain under the machine. That, if this is not going to be corrected or fixed, that needs to be plugged up, and then a little water alarm set on the ground so that if a machine ever leaks or a hose starts to leak, they would know. But if the pipe eventually gets fixed and rectified, then that floor drain can stay as a protective element. Otherwise, that causes sewage water to flood up and into the unit. So back up, vertical now, and when we first got here, we were about to patch the horizontal across the kitchen ceiling. That's where there was a lot of buildup as well, and that was already snaked previously before here. Again, I believe all that stuff is getting hung up because of the multitude of turns and the insufficient water that's per flush, the two types of toilets that were installed here. So put it back up out, and here we go. So the line is completely now clear and open, which it was fully when we first got here, just on that horizontal line in the ceiling. But the sag belly that is in the kitchen dining room, out through the front door, that's going to be fixed. Again, this is the Delta toilet that was here in this hall bath. We adjusted this flapper, so it's going to flush a little bit better now. I would still possibly modify it with a different flush valve if they can't fix the sag belly. They may not need need to modify this one any further, if they fix the pipe underground. And then the other bathroom, they do need to replace that dual flush no matter what happens. So that concludes this recording.